Hello, gorgeous ladies and gentlemen of the realm. FaeryVixen here, back again with another video. Yeah, one of my parrots died yesterday. So if I'm not as perky as normal, that'd be why. I just wanted to come on and do a quick earring video because I need something to distract me from the screaming in my head. And I'm tired of crying. I don't want to cry anymore. So, if I can get through 20 minutes, that'll be nice. These are all ones you've seen very recently. They were in the last batch box that was littered with lots of Cookie Lee. Here's the Union Jack. And they are little fabric guys, and they have clippy clips. And I'm sorry there was no, well, I don't know, I guess I'm not sorry, but there was no auction last night because Jen had to pack for her trip, and I was, not really in the greatest of places to be doing that, so, yeah. These are big. They're big, and these are thick, and they're, yeah. They seem like they'd be really heavy. But if your ears can handle it, they're really neat. Neat. And look what was in my earring bin that I've been looking for. Yep. These guys are neat, and they're lightweight, and they're big. I like big, lightweight ones. I could actually wear those, I think. These, on the other hand, no way, and HE double hockey sticks. They're heavy, and they're metal, and they're 80s, and if you like that retro, vintage, I must be vintage, because that was my formative years were the 80s. Okay, and this was tangled up last time we did earrings, and I think I got it untangled, and then here's the other one. These look hand done to me. They're chain with a big old pink, it's almost like a Christmas ball. And then they've got little pink pearls and flowers. So those are different. Very different. And look, I was going to say Italian. She's not Italian. The Russian lady is big. Tired of crying. There we go. These are dyed howlite with a stylized flower. Very nice. Whoa, this one's weird. Look at that with the chains on it. It's got white chains. Didn't I just... Oh, that's right. One of the items in a jar that Jen Layton got had a pendant like this. Kind of like this. Not exactly like this. Now where on earth is the other one? There's a hair in here. Come on. Get out of there. Okay. Where's the other one? This is supposed to be the bin with all the pairs. And I don't see the other one. Who has been putting things into my bin? Alright, well, that's not a thing then. These guys with the little pattern on them. Big old hoops. This one with rhinestones and tell me it's the same. Oh wait, there's the other one. It's just me being blind as a bat. Which actually, if you think about it, bats aren't blind, they just see differently than you and I. These are white chain and gold tone. Or gray chain. I can't tell if that's like gray or white. Maybe it just needs to be cleaned or something. Here's a pair of RLM Soho that are going in someone's box already. She spoke for them. They are for you. Oh, these are neat. Look at that. Cool. These look very mod. They look like the 60s. My video shut off twice already, so let's hope it doesn't do it again. Because I really don't want to repeat and have to say the same thing over again. Not the earrings, I don't care about talking about them again, but yeah, that other thing. Don't really want to repeat it 10 times. Where's the other one of these? Where's the other one of these? I just saw the other one of these. This goes here. And this. Whoop. We've got lots and lots of rain here today. The remnants of Zeta, I do believe. These are a little bit distressed. Don't know if I want to call it worn. Maybe. Maybe. Here's these guys are textured. Little hoops. Those are cool. If this cuts off again, it's just going to be a short video, and I'll just upload it the way it is. Okay? Okay. This doesn't have an... Where's the other one? I know there were 2 of these. What the heck? Oh well, put that over in the I don't know pile. I don't know what happened, man. Okay. These are extremely light. Wood? Yeah, they're little wood discs. Red and gold. Those are nice. Those could go right into my jewelry box. If I wore earrings. See, the thing is, I don't wear earrings. I want to, but I don't wear earrings because most of my day is spent in front of the computer with headphones on. So, yeah. That makes it difficult to wear earrings. These are neat. They're like a distressed metal with, what do you call that? Laser cut. Neat. Here's a thing, and where's the other thing that's like it? These do not have hooks on them, but they are snowflake obsidian. I was going to say rainbow, but that's not right. I can't think straight. Oh, I went to Ireland for a moment. And to Ireland. These are pretty. They're very sparkly. And they're in really great shape. Nice. Come on. What the heck? Ooh, these guys are big. Aw. That was missing the stone. I don't know. Maybe it'll have the stone in the pile here somewhere. I don't know if it had the one had the learn to talk. I don't know if it had the stone when I threw it in here or not. I don't know. These are different. They're little squares, little rounded squares, topped off with this collection of bubbly bits. Oh, jeez. My heart hurts. There's a little pair of silvery hoops, little ones. There's another one without a mate. What the heck? I'm pretty sure all of these have mates. It's just they got put in the wrong bin. I must have been brain farting pretty hard that day. Whatever day it was that I put them in there. Alright, there's these guys. These are neat. This is blackened copper with a big rhinestone. Ooh, the rain's getting harder. And it looks like it's over brass or copper. And they're a little dinged, but they're such an interesting shape. I would just clean them up and wear them anyway. If I wore earrings, that is. I do when I go out. Not that I go out very often, but when I go out somewhere, I do put on some earrings. Ooh, look at these. These are cool. See this? Doing this helps me so much. Looking at the pretty things. Even though I've already sorted through these and whatever, I love the jewelry, and it helps me cope with all of the craziness. This one has a butterfly, and this one does not. But I think that makes it more interesting. Those are really cool. Oh, wait, look. That's an earring caught up in there. Ha 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 ha. I thought it belonged. There we go. Very, very cool. Those are different. Oh, here is a little pair of golden hoops, and then here is a little pair of silver tone hoops. That's classic to have in your jewelry box. One of each. And this is plastic, little plastic guy. What? That's not though. Yes it is. That's also plastic. But this is the one I was trying to grab. And we have these guys. They're little plastic petally things. Green, pink, blue, and yellow. They're lightweight as well. These are really pretty. These are tangled up for one thing. Come on. They're like CZ. Ooh, pretty. Wait. Let me put that there. And then get off this one. These are very classy looking. Look at those. Very nice. See these again. Here's a pair of silver tone multi-hoops, concentric, circly bits. Those are nice. Nice casual earrings. This we already saw, that has one missing. I don't know where it is. Here's 3 pairs of studs on a card. There's a pair of pierced. They look like the 80s to me too. Little enamel guys. Here is these little plastic shiny, shiny hearts. Faceted. Pretty, pretty. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Pretty. These are little green, teeny green shells. I hope I'm talking loud enough. I'm tired. Crying takes a lot out of you. Those are neat. I think I have a necklace upstairs that might go with that. I am not 100% sure. Oh, these are faux native styled, I guess you would call it. With faux turquoise and faux red coral, and no marks. Most of this doesn't have marks. Oh, hey, look, is that the other one of those? Yes, 'tis. Look, I found it. There we go. They found each other again. These are plastic in a lovely shade of purple. I'm only sighing because I'm sad. It's not because I don't want to do this. I do want to do this. These are mother of pearl teardrops. This helps me so much. All the pretties. Look at these guys. Those are nice, but they're plastic. Shh, don't tell. Blue and green. Here's another one without a stinking mate. What the heck? What the heck? This one's nice. Wide, a little bit wider hoops than the last pairs. They feel nice too. They feel a little more. Oh, there's another pair of little. Oh, there's another pair of little. Oh wait, these are neat. Wait, let's do that later. This is just plain. Here is, what else do we have? That one. Do we have any other hoops? Well, these are kind of hoops. There are hoops with a little medallion in them. These guys, I think somebody said they wanted these if I found the other one. And where'd the other one go? There it is, these little trumpet flowers. They are unmarked. Filigree. Screw back. This is pretty. Yep. Undo. We've got 1 minute left. So I guess I made it through without it screwing up on me again. These are beautiful shade of red. Come on. Shine, shine, shine. No. There you go. And then these 3 little beads have aurora on them. And there's a rhinestone on each one here. Those are very nice. They are unmarked. Oh, I dropped one. Okay. We're at 20, and I want to thank you all for putting up with my sad sack. It really does help me to do this. It helped me when my dad died, and it's helping me now. I want to thank you all for being here. Please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. I promise I'm not like this every time I do a video. If you see something you like, wait, what is the next thing? Leave a comment in the down there. If you see something you can't live without, leave a timestamp with your comment in the down there. Or you can send me an email with the timestamp, the title of the video, and the date that it was posted so that I can find the item that you would like. Remember that I love each and every one of you, and I really appreciate your support, and I really don't know where I'd be without any of you, so I love you, and be yourself, because everyone else is taken. Bye-bye.